everyone, welcome to Home of Happy Minds. There are many changes in the Indian timeline, such as old maps and new maps, historians and their sources, new social and political groups, region and empire, and old and new religions. So today I will be talking about three of these changes in this video. This topic is divided into two parts. This is the first part wherein I will teach you the first three changes in the Indian history. The second part will be linked above and in the description, wherein I will tell you about the last three changes in the Indian history. Changes in maps. First of all, look at this map. What do you think this map is? Oh no, you have got it wrong. This map is India's. It was made by Al-Idrisi, an Arab geographer. It is the detail of the Indian subcontinent. The funniest part of this map is that South India is where you would expect to find North India, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. It was made in 1154 CE. The place names are marked in Arabic. Now look at this map here. This is more familiar to you. And it should be, because it was made in the 1720s by a French cartographer, Ptolemy d'Islay. It was made nearly 600 years after Map 1, during which time information about the Indian subcontinent had changed considerably. Surprisingly, the coastal areas are detailed. This map was used by European sailors and merchants on their voyages. So therefore we can tell that information which is produced changes with time. 2. New and old terminologies. Now, if the context in which information is produced changes with time, what about the language and their meanings? Historical records exist in a variety of languages which have changed considerably over the years. For example, in the 17th century English, the word thy meant yours. Example, honor thy mother and thy father meant honor your mother and your father. Another example, take the term Hindustan. Today we understand it as India, the nation. When the term was used in the 13th century by Minhaj-e-Siraj, a chronicler who wrote in Persian, he meant the areas of Punjab, Haryana and the lands between the Ganga and Yamuna. He used the term in a political sense for lands that were a part for the dominions of the Delhi Sultan. So therefore historians today have to be careful about the terms they used because they meant different things in the past. I've got to be careful. Number 3. Historians and their sources. Historians use different types of sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of the study and the nature of investigation. You will notice some continuity in the sources used by historians for the study of this period. This will rely on coins, inscriptions, architecture, and textual records for information. But there is also considerable discontinuity. The number and variety of textual records increase dramatically during this period. This slowly displays other types of available information. Through this period, paper gradually became cheaper and more widely available. People used it to write holy texts, chronicles of rulers, letters, and teachings of saints. There was no printing press in those days, so scribes copied manuscripts by hand. If you are prone to copying your friend's homework, you might notice that sometimes you cannot read your friend's handwriting and are forced to guess what is written. Oh, I cannot read it. As a result, there are small but significant differences in your copy and your friend's work. Manuscript copying is somewhat similar. As scribes copied manuscripts, they also introduced small changes. a word here and a sentence there. So as a result, this became a serious problem because we rarely find the original manuscript of the author today. We are totally dependent upon the copies made by later scribes. As a result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text to guess what the author had originally written. To see the next part of the topic, then I have listed out the last 3 changes made in India. Click the card above, or else I have given the link in the description box, so you can just click that. So do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.